탑주와 상계급과 제 문은 제다 중교 지도에 조배 접시 기능과 남기 오물안에 송시에다가 그죠.
군주의 나와다 아니 지난이 이게 금이용라 찾기 쉬워요. 아니 다리 아테테 상회니마 롱고 주로 코르에 나나미베 우치 지노 콘사 껴꾸지 year anniversary of Congressional Gold Medal presented to His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama and freedom fighters. First of all, Sage Kyabla have worked tirelessly for Tibet freedom movement for the last 6 years. From peaceful protests against Chinese Communist government every Wednesday on Hakar to doing peace walk for free Tibet. But this year he finished his second across Canada bicycle rally for Tibet and His Holiness the Dalai Lama. So Chinaba Kese Bare Tambo de la Sagi Kyabla ko ani Bethane gi thola chale nang ne ne lo Julhas Tendus Pedere ani ko ni Tambo de la Kemi Shuka Bidu Lan Shive to ni Mobe na wache tene Shive Kumtu Pede ani tene sune ani Canada Yongla ani Shive Tone Kamportane Hello, Tibet supporters and Tibetan inside and outside Tibet. We would like to express our deepest gratitude for Mr. Sage Kyabla. Initially, it was started by a soul runner, Pema Kungala, to spread the word on Tibet's struggle under the cruel communist Chinese government regime. This year marks their 4th year of marathon, and it was 6. Was joined by 5 more marathoners, and 6 altogether ran from Ottawa to Toronto. And Bridgetaki, Shive Kampu Pemi, and a Oma Tambo de la Beba Kungala, Uzunane, Talota no sheep there, and a Talo mixing you don't Nishu, Zasuklola, and a Nambo Nashi 2, those Ottawa and Toronto, and a Kampu Pemare. And on behalf of TCC City AO, Tibet supporters and Tibetans inside and outside Tibet, we would like to express our deepest gratitude to Peace Rally Marathon for Tibet team. Please welcome on stage Mr. Pema Kungala. Okay, thank you. And finally, we the Tibetans would like to urge all the Tibet supporters to continue to do so. And Deche Wangdila. And